Hi, welcome to Dex Adventures. So today, before I head overseas to Japan and Canada, I thought I would head to the city of Melbourne, my hometown, and have a wander around the town and just show you the beauty of the city. I am just walking past South Bank. It's right next to the Yarra River and it's really well known for restaurants and bars. It's in a really beautiful location and at night this place is full of life. I'm now walking towards the Royal Botanic Gardens and I'm going to take some pictures of some of the beautiful flowers and plants in that area. Alright, so we have made it to the Royal Botanic Gardens now. It's been about a 30-minute walk. I've been going pretty slowly, but it looks like during winter they have some igloos and some food trucks set up at the entrance to the Botanic Gardens where the visitor centre is. So I'm just going to quickly find a loo, like I always need to, and then continue walking around. I'm going to take the 10 track around the Botanic Gardens, which is one of Melbourne's most famous running tracks. It even has a timer on the start on the side of the Yarra River for you to track your pace as well. You'll see a lot of run clubs cruise around here, and there's also some beautiful barbecue spots on the river as well. So obviously we've come to the Lightscape exhibition during the day. This wasn't intended, I just wanted to come for a walk around the Botanic Gardens. But now, after walking around and seeing all the installations and the amount of effort they've put into the artworks as well, I definitely want to be coming back here at night and seeing it all lit up. I believe it's running until the 4th of August, so definitely come along and check it out. So I've been walking for almost an hour and a half now around the Botanic Gardens and through the Shrine of Remembrance as well. I am starving, so now it's time for me to go grab some food. I'm walking myself back towards Flinders Street. I'm going to catch a tram up Flinders Street towards Flinders Street Station and then make my way for a cake and a coffee at Brunetti's. Okay, I have just finished refueling my body after walking 7 kilometres around the Botanic Gardens and down Flinders Street. So I went to Brunetti's for lunch and I had a focaccia with basil, mozzarella and prosciutto, as well as a long black coffee, which definitely was needed after all that walking, and a couple of sneaky sweet treats, which you'll see in the video as well. I have now finished my journey for the day. Thank you for joining me on Dex Adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe once you view this video, and I'll try and get some more content out for you as well. In the meantime, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.